Hi, honeys. It's Michelle. I'm here today with my husband, Brad, who has so graciously agreed. I don't want to say offered, you didn't really offer. He agreed to go ahead and try on a men's Stitch Fix box for you guys today. And so that's what we're going to be doing. He's going to be trying on some clothes. And he's probably not going to be talking a whole lot. He has been very sick with a cold and coughing and sneezing a lot. And so I think he's kind of just trying to get through this. We were going to wait a few days, but one thing about Stitch Fix, if you're thinking about using them, you only have 3 days from the day that the box arrives to decide what you want to keep and mail it back. And we're already on day 3. That's one thing. If I were to be able to make any tweaks to Stitch Fix, I would give us more time. Especially, for us, we have a P.O. box that we use. They receive things, let's say it's Tuesday when they receive it, and they'll mark it as received Tuesday, but they don't actually put a note in our box that it's here until Wednesday. So we always lose a day. This is the box here. Now it's $20 per box, and that's a styling fee. If you should decide to buy anything, that $20 styling fee gets credited towards your purchase. And I'm just so excited that they're doing a men's box, because no matter how hard of a time women have finding unique clothes to wear, I know men have it 100 times harder, and men hate shopping. And I'm not a fan of shopping, but I don't hate it the way Brad does. Am I right? When you open your box, the first thing that you will see is a return envelope. And so you just put whatever you don't want to keep in the bag, and you drop it back off at the post office, or if you know of one of those mail slots you can drop it in. Yours looks different than mine. So manly. Here's what the inside looks like. Okay. And then, let's see. Since I'm doing all the talking for him, it says, "Well, hello there, styled for you. This fix was expertly styled with your preferences in mind. Open for a message from your stylist, plus how to wear each piece. Refer a friend and get a $25 credit to your account." We do have a referral link, by the way, down in the description box. No pressure, you don't have to click on it, but if you want to, I won't get mad at you, okay? When you open the card that I just showed you, it shows you each thing that comes in the box and what to wear with it. Which, if you're a man and you're getting these, this will be something that you want to keep and try to find whatever you can to coordinate with each of the items in here if you decide to keep anything. And then if you're getting this for your husband or your son or your boyfriend or whatever, this is also a good idea to keep and, help them figure out how to be styled in a way that looks nice. Okay, what's in here?
Oh, how to use Stitch.
Oh. Okay. They really spell it out for you guys. So then there's also this envelope that comes in here, and it says, "Welcome to Stitch Fix. Thanks for letting us style you. Take these steps to finish your fix. Number 1, decide. Try on everything your stylist selected. Choose what to keep and return. Number 2, rate. Complete your checkout survey at stitchfix.com. Feedback is key to the experience. And number 3, return. Place items to return in the prepaid shipping bag. Drop at any USPS mailbox." Okay, so that. All right, and then you also get this sheet, and I'll go over this with you at the end, but it tells you what each item is, the size, the brand, and the cost.
I can scan and insert that in the picture or in the video.
Okay, Sure, if you want to. Let's see. All right, so then I'm just going to read you up here in the corner. His stylist wrote him a message. Welcome to Stitch Fix, Bradley. Yay! We're so happy you gave us a try. Sorry, I'm just being silly. I look forward to getting to know you and your style better with each fix. You shared that you often wear everyday casual, so I started with the 01 Algo Thermal Henley paired with the Flag and Anthem State Gray Chinos with stretch and a relaxed fit you prefer. When you're out and about getting things done, layer this Henley tee with the unbuttoned Exekiel soft shirt and charcoal gray. For appointments or grabbing a bite, pair the chinos with the Hawker Rye crew sweater that's light enough for your mild winter in Las Vegas. Since you often wear workout gear, I included the North Face Performance Pullover with moisture wicking and 30 SPF to wear on a hike or to throw in your gym bag. Oh, you like that for basketball. Okay. Please leave your feedback so I know how everything worked. We do easy size exchanges. Enjoy, Lisa. So here's the first shirt that he's about to try on. And it's really soft, but let me give you a nice up close view just so you can see the fabric and everything. This is the first outfit that Lisa mentioned. So he's got the Algo Thermal Henley and the Flag and Anthem Slate Gray Chinos. And these chinos are stretch and relaxed in a size 34 in gray. The brand is Flag and Anthem, and they're called the Portland Chinos, and they're $59.50. And then the top is the 01 Algo Boulder Performance Thermal Henley shirt in a navy, and it's a size large, and it's $49. Oh. So you can see how this looks here. Okay. Sorry, I can't help it. It's very nice and soft. Let me show you a close-up of the shirt and a close-up of the slacks here. Up here, it's got one of these little coin pockets right here. You can put change in. And then it's also got pockets over on the side. And it's got this detail here so that your pockets don't fall open, because that doesn't really look good on anybody. Does it have another button over here? It's got some extra buttons. Can you turn around for me? Sorry. And then this is the kind of pockets that it has on the back. Are these real? Oh yeah. And these are real pockets. They're not just for looks. And here's the length of the pants here. It says this is navy. To me, it almost looks like a dark green color with a little bit of blue in it. It's got nice long arms on the top. And a nice fitted shoulder. It's got 3 buttons right here. And these are functional buttons. You can unbutton it if you want. I don't know why you would do that though.
Preserve your hair.
Okay.
To take that on and off.
Okay. How does the outfit feel?
The chinos are a little tight in the crotch, but the shirt feels very comfortable. It's very insulated.
Oh yeah, it's warm.
Oh yeah, definitely wouldn't recommend it for maybe higher than 65 degrees. But for like a 45, 50 degree day, the shirt would be perfect without need of a jacket or flannel or something of that nature.
I will say this shirt is a bit of a lint trap. So if you have a white cat or dog, you might not want to get this. Or if you do, maybe a lighter color. So this is the Hawker Rye brand Joshua Thermal Crewneck sweater in navy. And Brad is wearing a large. And it's $58. And right off the bat, I can see it fits good on the shoulders and on the chest. But it is a little bit long here. Now, I guess you could Would you be willing to cuff it up?
No,
No.
I don't like cuff
I'm gonna
shirts.
say that would look
No.
better. Or cuff it under.
Mm.
Is that comfortable?
No.
Okay. But it is really soft. Oh, and well, we'll show that detail in a second. You said it's more breathable than the other shirt.
Mm-hmm.
You want to do a little spin around so they can see? Brad's little swan turn there. Okay. And see, it's got this cross detail right here. This shirt is the Exekiel Everett soft shirt in a dark gray and a large, and it's $48. And I love this shirt. It's so soft. I love the cut on it. It's very masculine looking. I like how it really emphasizes Brad's broad shoulders.
Pockets are real.
The pockets are real. It's a good length. Can you back up a little bit here? Okay. It's a good length here too, to where he could wear it tucked in or just leave it out. And if you're born in the late 70s like we were, you could unbutton it and have a t-shirt on under it and have that grunge look that we all love. I really like the arm length too, but Brad has pointed, come here again. Okay. Brad has pointed out something that you might want to know if you have bigger arms. Okay, so go to move your arms forward. You see how it's like pulling a lot like that? And it does the same thing back across the shoulders when he tries, when he goes to cross his arms. So if he was driving or if he was at his computer at work, I think this would be too tight for him. And it really is too tight on the arms. It doesn't look like it when his arms are down, but the minute he moves his arms, it suddenly gets real tight. And
it's on the tricep area.
Yeah, and it's not very stretchy. So as much as we like this shirt, we're going to have to part with it because I think if you went up a size, it would be too big.
Yeah, the arms are already borderline.
Yeah.
And these I can't pull up on my forearms.
Right, and on the shoulders, they'd go down to here, which wouldn't look right on you either. If you went up a size, it'd be this long down here. And
so if somebody had a smaller frame, less meat on their arms, this would be a perfect shirt.
Right. And to add to the fun for Brad, he's about to start going to the gym again, so his arms are probably not going to get smaller. They're probably going to get bigger. So that's part of the decision on this one not really working out, is it's just not quite big enough for your body. It's just not the right fit for him.
I like the shirt though.
I do too, a lot. This is the North Face, and then the style is called the North Face Teton, Teton Hype. Let me see what the tag says. It cuts off there. Hyperlyr, HYPRLYR hoodie. It's got 30 SPF. And this is in a olive color, and it's a large, and it's $40. And can you show the detail on the? And what was that for again?
To keep the sleeves down in case you're wearing gloves or if you're running, because as you pump your arms, sleeves will tend to ride up like that. So it'll give you the option of keeping the sleeve down without having to constantly pull them down manually.
And then it's got a hoodie. Is this a drawstring hoodie? No.
No.
It's got
Not meant. Yeah, it's not meant to be.
And it's got a hoodie too. So let me show you a close-up of the fabric here.
It would also be a wonderful product for outdoor work during sunny days.
Yeah, that'd be a great idea, actually, because it's not real hot.
No, it's not hot at all. It's very breathable.
Well, this might be something for you to wear when you're at your job sites then.
Possibly.
Yeah, well, especially with it being neoprene.
Mm-hmm.
You're not going to get as sweaty, and so then you won't get so dehydrated.
Right.
Okay. Thank you so much for modeling these clothes for me. It says, "Hi Bradley, thanks for letting us style fix number 1 for you. Enjoy. And then it's got all the different things that were in the box. The subtotal, if he were to buy everything, is $254.50. Now, if he were to buy everything in the box, he would get a 25% discount, which would be $63.63 off, bringing the subtotal down to $190.87. And then he would also get a $25 credit for the styling fee that he paid. So that would bring the total down to $165.87 for everything in the box if he wanted to keep everything. Well, thank you so much for watching. Let us know what you thought. Is there anything in the box that you think Brad should keep? And if you have any questions about anything in the box, don't hesitate to let us know. Also, if you have any questions about subscribing to these, especially to this specific men's Stitch Fix, let us know. They also have a children's one, and my sister-in-law said that she loves it because she's able to keep the latest and greatest children's clothes for her kids, and she doesn't have to deal with the hassle of taking them to the mall. So that's another thing that you might want to consider if you're interested. Bye. Did you want to come say bye? No. Oh. Brad says bye too.